have a vibrant pink lip on today. This is the lip combo that I used today. So I have these nice hot pink lips. Have you ever wondered how to get vibrant lip color off? Bright red or bright pink? It can be a challenge, right? It can be a challenge to get it off, especially if it's the kind that stays on for a good long time. I'm gonna tell you my secret. Eye makeup remover. Perfectly safe to use on your lips. Our oil-free eye makeup remover works great. So I'm just gonna shake it up. Put a little bit on a cotton pad and hold it on my lips for 15 seconds and then wipe. Okay, it's all gone. Yeah, no staining, totally clean. Be sure to follow up with a moisturizer like I just did. And one more tip, be sure to exfoliate your lips, because if you have crusty lips, that lipstick's gonna get crusted around those and it'll be a lot harder to remove. So make sure you have a nice, smooth lip to start with. Bye guys.